Today's webinar is about JoVE. Let me first introduce myself. I am Merita Parlak. I work at JoVE as a curriculum specialist. And you can see my contact information here. If you need any help in any time, just call me or email me. Today's agenda is an overview of JoVE, how to access JoVE resources, JoVE education and JoVE research, customer success support, functionalities and options, and how to share JoVE videos with your students. First of all, JoVE creates scientific videos that make teaching, learning, and practicing science more efficient, effective, and engaging. Here you see the co-founder of Dr. Moshe Pritsky. In this picture, he was in Princeton University as a PhD. He's a young researcher. He was unable to replicate an experiment via reading the journals. So he needed to travel from Princeton University to Edinburgh University of Edinburgh to learn that experiment, and only one experiment he spent more $10,000 and 2 months. And when he came back to the laboratory, his own laboratory, he think about not every scientist as him. No, not every scientist has that much time, so he started to filming his own experiments and created JoVE's very first collections. So JoVE emphasizes that visualizing is important as reading. As you can see on the left side, when you read the article, it's like hard to understand the position of the sample or hard to understand the size of the pipette that they are using. But when you look at the video, watch the video, it's easy to understand these details. And today, JoVE has more than 18,000 videos, and every month we are adding like more than 100 videos. And you can always access those videos and articles all over the world and anytime with the translations. JoVE supports an array of instructions and research needs. You can use JoVE in your courses. I can provide you playlists that focused on your curriculum. They are created according to your curriculum. You can embed those videos into your Moodle pages, course pages, and with this way you can improve the learning outcome of your students. You can also use the JoVE videos in the training or research part of your academic part. With the training, you can teach the new lab members in an easy and fast way. With the JoVE videos, you can teach the new lab members the new techniques, and also in the research part, you can always cite the JoVE research, which are also peer-reviewed and indexed in the index. And those videos also improves the reproducibility and productivity in the research areas. How you can access the JoVE videos? So first of all, if you're on the campus, you already have an unlimited access. If you are connected to your library internet, you can directly go www.jove.com and you can watch all the videos. But you can, off campus, you can also connect it via the proxy, or what I advise, you can create the JoVE user account. With this way, you can not only watch the JoVE videos outside of the campus, but you can also embed those videos into the Moodle pages. You can access the quizzes. You can create your own playlists as well. So how you can create your JoVE account? When you go to the JoVE page, on the right upper side, you can see sign in button. Click in that sign in button, you will see this login page. In this login page, you can click on create an account create account. If you already have an account, you can just type your institutional email and password and login. If you don't have, please just click on create an account button. And the next page, you need to type your institutional email address. And you need to click on create an account. In this part, you will get a verification email. In the verification email, you needed to click on the confirm email address link. And after that, just a 1-minute process, just needed to type your name and some necessary information, and you need to decide your password. So this is only one-time thing. And you just need to click on last time create account. So your account, your JoVE user account is ready to use now. So when you logged in, you will see on the right upper side, you will see your name, and that means also you are logged into your JoVE account. Let's move to the JoVE research part. When you go to JoVE page, you will see a research menu on the top, and when you click on that, you will see 13 different disciplines, and also you will see JoVE Journal and JoVE Encyclopedia of Experiments. Let's start with the JoVE Journal. JoVE Journal is a world's first peer-reviewed scientific video journal. It's multidisciplinary. It has 13 different disciplines, including behavior, biochemistry, bioengineering, biology, cancer research, chemistry, developmental biology, engineering, environment, genetics, immunology and infection, medicine, and neuroscience. All the articles in the JoVE Journal are indexed in PubMed, Web of Science, SciFinder, Scopus, and SCI Expanded. Alongside with videos, of course, you can always access the text version of the articles. In JoVE video journals, there are lots of features. You can always watch the videos in details. You can add some English subtitles. You can regulate the video. You can increase the speed or slow it down. You can always click on the video and click on your interested area of the video. You can always watch the video and embed it on your course pages as well. When you clicked on the article page, you can always access the video part. You can see the article and downloaded it. You can navigate to the article in this page. You can click on share buttons and you can share these articles on social media. And you can click on the PDF and download this article as a PDF and also downloadable materials. You can access the material list and download these lists as well. And you can always cite this article in your research as well. And let's move to the Encyclopedia of Experiment. Encyclopedia of Experiment, the first of their kind online video encyclopedias that include advanced research experiments. We have 4 different collections: biology, cancer research, biological techniques, and immunology. In the JoVE Encyclopedia of Experiment, you can watch the videos that are related to concept, how the scientists conducting the experiment. You can see every details of these advanced research experiments. And let's move to the education. When you go to the JoVE page, when you click on the education arrow, you will see the different disciplines and you will see the collections. We have core, science education, lab manual, and book. First, start with the JoVE Core. JoVE Core is animated. JoVE Core has animated videos. They are 1 to 2 minutes long. We have biology, cell chemistry, molecular biology, organic chemistry, statistics, physics, cell biology, nursing, anatomy and physiology, mechanical engineering, and pharmacology in the core section. In the core section, we explain core section videos explains the concept through high impact animations. And I would like to demonstrate you an example of the core videos.
Eukaryotic ribosomes are protein synthesizing structures formed inside the nucleolus. The ADS ribosome is divided into large and small subunits. The large subunit, called the 60S ribosome, consists of 28S, 5.8S, and 5S rRNAs and 49 proteins. The smaller subunit, the 40S ribosome, consists of an 18S rRNA and 33 proteins. Both subunits are exported out of the nucleus through the nuclear pores. They join for protein synthesis either while floating in the cytoplasm or when attached to the outer nuclear envelope or the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The mRNA binding site lies within the small ribosomal subunit. The three tRNA binding sites, E, P, and A, are formed at the interface of both ribosomal subunits. Here, an initiator tRNA is placed at the P or peptidyl site. The new tRNAs are received at the A or aminoacyl site, and the empty tRNAs are released from the E or exit site. rRNA in the large subunit also catalyzes the peptide bond formation between amino acids.
This was an example of JoVE core videos. Let's move to the JoVE book chemistry. This is a digital textbook. It has 21 chapters that introduce the basic chemistry concepts. The topics are covered: matter and measurement, thermochemistry, thermodynamics, biochemistry. They also have high impact animation and with the scientist in action videos. Those scientists in action videos demonstrate how the concepts are applied in the experiments. JoVE chemistry book looks like this. When you clicked on one of the chapters, this is an example of chapter 3, molecules, compounds, and chemical equations, you will see the video related to the topic, and under the video you will see a detailed text that explains all the process and all the concepts in details. And in the next part, you will see pink boxes. Those pink boxes are solved problems and demonstrate step-by-step solution for the students to practice the topics. And the next one is the blue boxes. These blue boxes highlights the science and concepts application in every life. These are like scientist in action videos. And lastly, at the end of the chapter, we have scientist in action section, key terms section, key relationship and equation section, and lastly, chapter exercise section. And let's go with the key terms. Key terms of the are chapter specific. Every chapter has key terms, and it explains the key terms in the chapters with the alphabetic orders. The next one is key relations and equation. It like summarizes the key relations to the about the topic, about the chapter. And last one is the chapter exercises that we have different 50 additional problems for students to practice them, and we can give the answer keys if they request. And JoLab manual, we have JoLab manual are curriculum-focused video resources, support teaching and laboratory courses. We have biology and chemistry experiment. Those are like commonly taught experiments. Each experiment has 3 different videos, 3 different perspective videos. The first one is instructor preparation that demonstrate what they need. The second one is concept videos. Concept videos shows the theory behind the experiment and explains it. And the last one is student protocol that explains step-by-step process of the experiment. And lab menu page looks like this: biology and chemistry. When you clicked on one of the section, you will access the experiment. For example, this is about the diffusion and osmosis. When I clicked on this experiment, on the top right of the video, we can see instructor prep, concepts, and student protocol blue boxes. You need to click which one is needed. And the last one is the JoVE Science Education. We have more than 50 videos related to science education videos. Apart from the animation, these videos demonstrate real life videos, real life demonstrations. These videos explains the key conceptual and methodological details about the topics, text. We have advanced biology, basic biology, chemistry, clinical skills, engineering, environmental science, physics, and psychology in the JoVE Science Education part. And let's move to the functionalities and options. So I am curriculum specialist, and we have a huge team. We are from all over the world helping the users globally. We have different variety of expertise in STEM areas, and we are here to help you to get the value from your JoVE subscription. What we can do, we can provide to the webinars or one-to-one sessions like today's webinar, and we can understand the faculty's requirements about courses or research and understanding the topics. Then we can create a JoVE playlist. We can collect all related videos from JoVE, and we can share it with the faculties, with you, and we can walk through accessing and integrating content into your Moodle course pages. And if you have ever faced technical issues about JoVE, we are here to help you. So what are those playlists and what are their features? You can share those playlists with your students, with your colleagues. You can create them according to your courses, according to your needs. You can always find them in your JoVE account, and you can increase the engagement with students with those playlists. And you can create, or I can create for you these playlists. But first thing you needed to go and log into your JoVE account, and when you logged in, on the top right, you can see your name. There is a menu under your name. When you clicked on that, you will see my playlists. You need to click on my playlist, and you will see if you have created any playlist, you can see your playlist in there. If you didn't, I can share and you can find it in here as well, or you can click on create new playlist and create your own playlist from scratch. What you should do, you should name your playlist, and that's all. And on the right side, you will see add video. You need to click on add video, and there will be a small window, and you need to type the key terms related to your playlist, and the videos will be listed in this page. You needed to just click on the relevant video you want to add, and all the videos will be added. And you can also add labels like first week, or you just type the topics and at the end you just needed to save it, and you can always find it in the same place under your name, my playlist. Let's move to the JoVE quiz. All education videos have questions related to the topic, so you can also use those quizzes. Under the education menu, you will see the JoVE quizzes. You needed to click on JoVE quiz, and you can create your quizzes. You can also use JoVE quiz library or my playlist quizzes, or you can create a quiz from scratch again. These are the example of the JoVE quiz library. When you clicked on create a new playlist, there will be a page like this, like empty questions. You can type your own question and type the answer options, or you can import questions from these education videos. Under the empty question box, you will see add a question. You can click on import questions, and here will be the page you will see. You can select the relevant video. You can You can use your playlist, you can use your library, and click on add to quiz, so the questions with the video will be added to your quizzes. This is how it's look like. If you don't want to add to video, you can just remove it, of course. And as a last step, you needed to type the name, give a name to your quizzes. You needed to select the type of quizzes, like graded or ungraded. You can select start date and end date. If you want to add time duration, time limitations, you can also add that. And lastly, you need to save, and you can share it with your students via link, or you can add these questions into your Moodle pages that I can help. Let me give you some services we are providing. This is the textbook mapping. When you go to the JoVE page, you will see Faculty Resource Center in red. And you will see that in that page, videos map to your textbook. We provide lots of books that are commonly used all over the world. When you clicked on it, you can see different books. These are the book. These have playlists that are relevant to the books. So when you clicked on, for example, the campus biology, you will see all the chapters. And all the chapters matched with the JoVE videos. When you clicked on it, you will see the playlist relevant to the chapters topic. And lastly, how you can share your resources with your students. As I'm mentioning from the beginning, you can add it on the Moodle. So how you can embed? First, you needed to log into your JoVE account and generate the embed code. Firstly, as an example, we are going to do a video from the education side, course of biology, and opening the relevant videos we want to embed. Here, to be sure you are logged in, and clicked on the embed under the video. On the right side, you will see copy embed code, and that's all we needed to do in the JoVE page. We needed to move to the Moodle. Into Moodle course page, you needed to turn editing on and clicked on the page. In the page, you needed to give name, like for example, the video name. And in the content part, you needed to click on embed icon and paste the code we are already copied from the JoVE page. And lastly, save and display. And here is the video. And all your students can watch the videos when they enter the class pages. And that's all from this side. Now I want to move to the JoVE page and demonstrate how you can create a quiz one more time and how you can watch the videos. As I mentioned, I'm already logged in since I'm not in the campus or anything. So you will see on menu under your name, you will see my playlist. When you clicked on my playlist, you will see some playlists that I have created. If you want, if you want to create your own playlist, you need to click on create new playlist on the top right. You just needed to give a name, like for example, introduction to biology. And that's all I wanted to add. But if you want to add purpose of this playlist, you can add education or anything. You can add your field. You can add, select specialty or let's say other. And that's all you can do. Oh, you can also add professor name, course name, and institution name on the left. And after that, you can start to add your videos. Like for example, let's start to add with cells. I clicked on add video on the right side and this window opened. And in the search bar, I am writing the key terms. Of course, I will share the recording of the webinar. Sorry for the interruption. I will just show you how you can add the video. On the right side, you can click on add video, type the keywords like cells, and search it. You can also filter it, research to education. Let's filter to education. So we will see some videos related to cells. Let me just add like prokaryotic cells. Also, I'm just closing this window and I just wanted to add label, for example, let's say first week. And I can put it in here. And I can just continue to add playlist videos. You can also click on add video and continue to adding the videos. Like hair cells, for example. You can just continue to add videos. You can just look at the other pages. Like for example, what are cells. If you, let's say this is the 3 videos I needed. And last thing, I need to click on save. And this successful saved. And I can see it in here under my name, my playlist. Here is the introduction to biology playlist. And you can always edit it. Even if I share the playlist, you can also edit, clone it and edit it like this. So another feature is the quiz feature. Let's move to that one. In the education part, education drop-down menu, you will see JoVE quiz. Click on that one. I have already created lots of quizzes. You can also see these. Or you can just click on create new quizzes and create your own quizzes. Before going to the create quizzes, I would like to show the JoVE quiz library. So here you can see subjects and chapters. You can just filter it. For example, I'm just clicking on JoVE molecular biology. So it shows the videos and questions related to JoVE core molecular biology. I can also select the chapter, for example, cancer, let's say, and I have access to the chapter 20 cancer. It has, pardon, 63 videos, questions. You can basically click on add to my quizzes and you can edit it. Similarly, you can use your own playlist questions like this one. And you can just search, for example, we created the introduction to biology. You can just go to that and click on preview or add to my quizzes. Or you can create quiz from scratch by clicking on this blue button. And you can see the empty question box. You can also add your questions in here. You can write your own questions or you can just import questions from the JoVE page itself. You can again filter the subjects and chapters, or you can just write, for example, what are cells? That was the video we added to the playlist. That's why I'm just writing it. So I saw this video and related to quick questions, and I just want to click on add quiz, and it's adding. And if you want to add more, of course, you can repeat the same process. Here are the questions and answers, correct answers. Of course, students cannot see the correct answers. You needed to type the name of the quiz. Let's say, what are cells? Test 1. Let's create it. Start date is automatically now, but you can also change it. Like end date, you can select. Time duration, let's say 10 minutes. And you can save it. So when saved, you can find it in the JoVE quiz page. You can find the quizzes in your quiz page. Here it's the quiz. What are cells? Test 1. Here you can directly share the link for example, distribute quiz. You can directly share this link with your students. With this way, they needed to open JoVE account with their own institutional email address and take the quiz. You can invite them via email, or we can create a file for you to add these questions into your Moodle page. And this is how it's look like, quiz. Before entering, it says it's graded, you have 9 minutes. It's end on 20th Jan, and let's click on start quiz. The timer started as long as I clicked on start. So I just randomly answering the questions and submitting. So I submit the quiz. So all of them are wrong. My score is 0. Correct answers are 0. This is what the students will see. But when you go to your quizzes, and on the right side, 3 dots, when you click on the results, view results, you will see the results of the students. So for example, Melita take the quizzes. She didn't answer any questions correctly, so she got 0. You can always click on view results in detail and see all the details of her quiz. And you can also download the quiz results as an Excel file from the download CSV. And lastly, let's go to the JoVE Faculty Resource Center. Like on top, you will see Faculty Resource Center in red. So here you can find videos mapped to your textbook. I'm just clicking on all textbook to show all of them. So we have different books that are used all over the world commonly. For example, campus biology, the cell. These are the common books that are using by the faculties for their courses. And let me just click on this organic chemistry, for example. The Simmons and Janice Organic Chemistry, 6th edition. This book has like 29 chapters, and we have playlists for each chapter. Let's open Introduction to Organic. Let's open this. Yeah, this is a chapter 2, Acids and Bases. You will see all videos related to this book's topic, acids and bases. And you can also have access to open this and share it with students. We have lots of different books. You can just go to this page and look into you can all check if you have your books already here. You can just use it. And yeah, let's just move to my presentation. That was all. Thank you for listening to me. If you have any questions, let me know. I can answer now, or if you have, or you can just email me. I can help you with your courses, your playlist, and everything. Okay, I think you don't have any questions, so we can close the session. Thank you for attending. Thank you for your time. And I will share the recording when it's ready. Have a great day.